Welcome everyone to the live stream of Luoyang Yushu Hair Extension Trading Company Limited. Today we are glad to share the real strength of our factory and our premium hair products in detail. Whether you are a hairdressing practitioner or an individual looking to buy human hair products, you are welcome to stay and learn more. Welcome to our live stream. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section if anything interests you. Luoyang Yushu Hair Extension Trading Company Limited is based in Henan, home to a well-established hair product industrial cluster with complete industrial chains and mature upstream and downstream supporting resources. These resources grant us unique advantages in raw material procurement, production processing, and finished product quality inspection. The enterprise was founded by Chai King-sung, a practitioner with 18 years of experience in the hair product industry. The founder has long dedicated himself to raw hair selection and hair product craft refinement. Over years of practice, he has visited various raw material origins, gained thorough knowledge of hair texture traits, sorting standards, and processing matching techniques, and accumulated abundant hands-on industry experience. He also clearly understands the gaps between various hair items available on the market. Drawing on this long-term industry insight, we have built a physical production factory operating under standardized and regulated management. Hit the follow button, and we will keep sharing practical knowledge about human hair selection and maintenance later. Since the factory was put into operation, we have taken product quality as the core of our operation. Our complete operational system covering corporate planning and daily production management is built around stable and reliable product standards. Our production and processing services cover mainstream types of human hair products on the market. Unlike many factories that mix multiple raw materials, all finished goods from our factory are crafted exclusively with virgin braided human hair, namely intact original braided hair that has not undergone multiple chemical treatments. We never blend recycled broken hair or second processed hair of lower cost. A multi-layer manual sorting procedure is arranged for raw material screening. Our staff will check the integrity, smoothness, and even thickness of hair strands batch by batch, removing damaged, dry, and severely tangled hair materials, and only intact virgin braided hair will proceed to subsequent processing steps. Welcome to our live stream. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section if anything interests you. Any inquiries about raw material differentiation and hair texture identification can be left in comments, and I will answer them one by one. Many viewers may not be aware of the usage differences brought by hair items made of various raw materials. Most affordable hair products circulating on the market adopt mixed recycled and reprocessed hair to cut production costs. Such items look fine at first use, but tend to turn dry and frizzy, tangle easily, and suffer strand breakage and shedding after several washes and combing, shortening their usable period greatly. In contrast, we only adopt pure virgin braided human hair for manufacturing. The natural oil layer and silky texture of original hair strands are fully preserved. Multiple mild softening and combing procedures are applied without strong irritating chemical agents that damage the internal structure of hair strands. The finished products deliver a gentle and silky touch when held in hands, and they comb smoothly without tangling during daily care. With proper regular maintenance, they can serve users for a longer time. Hit the follow button if you want to tell apart premium virgin hair and common reprocessed hair. Stay tuned to our live stream and we will show real samples of both types for visual comparison shortly. To maintain consistent quality of every batch of finished goods, a full quality control workflow is set up inside the factory, including initial inspection upon raw material warehousing, spot checks in the middle of production, and full inspection after products are finished. Specialized staff are assigned to verify compliance with standards for each working procedure. Our production workshop is equipped with professional machines tailored for virgin human hair processing, paired with skilled workers with years of practical experience who manually conduct delicate procedures, including layered combing, edge stitching, and sealing. We will not skip essential processing steps merely to speed up production. Many peers cut short, fine working procedures to boost shipment efficiency, while we strike a balanced balance between production speed and finished product quality. We would rather extend the production cycle of each batch to ensure all hair products leaving our factory meet unified standards. Welcome to our live stream. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section if anything interests you. Colleagues running hairdressing salons and hair extension studios may leave messages to ask about bulk supply details. During years of operation, we have served a large number of offline hairdressing practitioners, salon owners, and individual retail customers, and received plenty of genuine usage feedback. Most clients acknowledge the steady hair texture and serviceable performance of our products. When compared with most ordinary hair goods on the market, our items show obvious advantages in smoothness, anti-tangling performance, and long-term stability. Thanks to our consistent product performance, we have accumulated a large group of long-term cooperative repeat clients. Many salon owners place recurring orders and actively recommend our products to peers in the industry. Hit the follow button if you run a hair extension salon and seek a steady and reliable supply channel. Follow our live stream to keep updated on our factory's supply advantages. Beyond strict control over raw materials and processing techniques, we keep optimizing product details by collecting feedback from clients. We sort out various usage suggestions proposed by livestream viewers and offline cooperative clients on a daily basis and adjust processing crafts according to people's real usage scenarios. For instance, we have optimized layered hair treatment methods and improved hair weft edge sealing crafts to reduce hair shedding during use. Our products fit diverse demands, including daily hair extensions, styling, and repeated washing. We never stick to fixed production modes without considering real user experience and keep refining product performance from users' perspective. Welcome to our live stream. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section if anything interests you. Whether you purchase hair products for personal use or salon bulk stock, you may leave comments to communicate your usage demands and customization ideas. As a physical manufacturing factory, we cut out multiple intermediate distributors that add extra markups. Clients can source goods directly from the source factory without additional costs generated through dealer circulation. Salon practitioners can access favorable bulk purchasing prices, while individual buyers can get virgin human hair products at reasonable rates. Meanwhile, our factory accepts customized processing orders for hair items of various specifications and styles, catering to diverse cooperation demands including small restock orders for small salons and large volume stock-up for chain salons. Our cooperation procedures are clear and straightforward, with smooth after-sales communication channels. If clients receive products with texture issues caused by non-human factors, we will communicate and settle matters properly as agreed to minimize purchasing worries for all partners. Hit the follow button if you plan to place wholesale orders or establish long-term salon cooperation. Follow our live stream to receive first-hand information about factory cooperation. Many new buyers of human hair products struggle to judge hair quality accurately and may end up purchasing items blended with inferior raw materials. When shopping for hair goods, you may focus on several key indicators: hair smoothness, frizz and tangling condition after washing, and the volume of broken strands. Our live stream will keep sharing practical tips on hair texture identification to help you avoid common purchasing pitfalls, so you do not need to spend extra money replacing unsatisfactory hair items repeatedly. Welcome to our live stream. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section if anything interests you. If you hope to learn how to distinguish hair grades or maintain human hair extensions, leave your topics of interest in the comment area. Supported by the complete local hair product industrial chain in Henan, we can source sufficient premium virgin braided hair steadily without supply delays caused by raw material shortages. We provide spot supply for regular styles and stable customized production for special specifications. The factory boasts spacious warehouse space stocked with finished mainstream hair items to respond to clients' restock requests quickly and prevent salon stockouts that disrupt daily business. We have maintained a stable shipment schedule for years and built trust-based cooperative relations with numerous long-term partner salons. Hit the follow button if you need consistent spot supply or urgent restock arrangements for your salon. You may communicate shipment schedules with us anytime via live stream comments. Since our foundation, prioritizing product quality has remained our consistent business principle. We do not blindly expand output volume or lower standards for raw materials and processing crafts. We focus on making every piece of hair product with care and win customer recognition through tangible product texture. This is the fundamental reason for our steady development and a loyal client base in the industry. Many long-term cooperative clients mention that after comparing goods from multiple factories, they stick to long-term cooperation with us mainly because they trust our unadulterated raw materials and finished products that stand the test of long-term use. Our product quality stays consistent across all batches instead of meeting standards for initial orders then declining later, as unified quality inspection criteria are enforced through all production stages. Welcome to our live stream. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section if anything interests you. If you wish to request product samples for comparison or arrange a factory visit, leave relevant messages in the comment section to discuss further. After the detailed introduction above, you have gained a full understanding of Luoyang Yishu Hair Extension Trading Company Limited, covering our founding background, raw material selection, production quality control, and supply cooperation, as well as the quality gaps between our goods and ordinary hair products sold on the market. Next, I will walk you through all kinds of hair products independently manufactured in our factory, showing the hair texture, craft details, and applicable scenarios of different styles one by one, so all viewers can pick suitable items according to their own demands.